For the love of God, you do not need a coffee maker in order to make coffee shop worthy coffees. All you need is instant espresso and a high powered hand frother. I love this instant espresso because you can mix it in cold or hot water. So I just put this in cold water and use this mixer and mix it up and you get this beautiful frothy coffee. Then if you want to add milk, you pour regular milk into a cup. And this is where the hand frother is important because if you do not have a high powered hand frother, you cannot get frothy milk. The low setting is what got me this beautiful frothy dense milk. This is all you need to make coffee every morning. That's it. I got this off TikTok shop. It's at a relatively cheap price right now on a flash sale. So grab these before they sell out.